What's up, everybody? So today we'll be making a strawberry and banana smoothie. I hope you guys try at home and enjoy it. The fruits you're gonna need are bananas and strawberries. So we also be needing a food container, which we're going to use to put our fruits in the freezer. So in this recipe we're gonna use 2 bananas and 6 strawberries. So let's start by peeling the banana and then cutting it. Always remember to be careful with your fingers. And just put the pieces in the container. Now cutting our second banana. Time to cut the strawberries. You can ask someone to assist you while you're using the knife. Now same thing we did with the banana, just put the pieces in the container. Done! Now let's put the container in the freezer. Wait for a few hours and the fruits will be frozen. So now it's time to use a blender. Put the frozen pieces in it. Get a half full glass of water and pour in the blender. Also add some ice cubes. Now just turn the blender on and let it mix. And there you go, we have our strawberry and banana smoothie. Hope you guys like it. See you next time. Bye!